Hey everyone, it's Brandon here with the Dumbbell. Today I'm going to show you guys a great 10-minute couch to 5K cardio at-home workout that you can do. So with today's workout, our whole goal is to try to keep our heart rate elevated for the whole 10 minutes and try to burn as many calories and as much fat as we can during that 10 minutes. So we're going to try to get as many rounds in as possible. So the first exercise we're going to do are going to be high knees. All we're going to do is just jog in place and get our knees up. So we want to keep our arms moving, and then that's going to be 15 on each side. So these are going to go pretty quick. And then after we do the 30 high knees, we're going to do toe taps. Now, if you have some sort of medicine ball or something that you can tap back and forth like this, just make sure it's not too sharp. But go back and forth, and all you're trying to do, or you can just do imaginary toe taps, like if you have something or you don't have anything right there. We're gonna do 30 total on that one. So again, it's gonna be 15 each foot and each leg. After we do that one, we're gonna get down on the ground and do 30 mountain climbers. So we're just gonna bring our legs in and out, keeping our back straight, make sure your butt gets low. And then 30 of these, which again, is 15 each side. So when you're doing this one, you're definitely gonna be out of breath when you're doing this one. And you know what? I saved the best for last. Now we're gonna do burpees. I do have good news, it's only gonna be 5. So we're just gonna do 5 burpees. So with burpees, we're gonna go out, in, and then I want you guys to jump up. So you go out, in, jump up. Now if you have to modify the burpee, just go 2 steps out, 2 steps in. Still try to jump up if you guys can. And I've even had people modify it where they hold on to something like this and they go in and out and then jump up, or just go, in and out, jump up like that if you have to. You can get very creative with the burpees. So we're just gonna do 5. So for those 4 exercises, I want you to try to get as many rounds as you can get in for the 10 minutes. It's gonna be, like I said, a great way to elevate your heart rate and keep that elevated, because when we're doing the 5K, that's what we really wanna try to focus on. Obviously you can walk it, but if you really wanna push yourself, get a little bit of jogs here and there. We wanna make sure that we can sustain even a tough workout like this for 10 minutes, because it'll make that 5K just seem so much easier, especially when you push yourself with these workouts, or with these exercises, I should say. So how many rounds should you get in? I would say, at least 2 to 3. You might be able to get 4 or 5 rounds in, depending on how quick you go and what your fitness level's like. Just make sure that you have good posture and good form on all those exercises, so you're not just trying to get as many rounds in with bad form, because you don't want to hurt yourself. So if you guys like this video, make sure to comment below and follow me on all my social media channels. I'd love to hear from you guys, and I'll see you next time.